Today I will show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first of all, I want you to know that Cloudflare is a CDN, and a CDN is a SaaS that caches and delivers content including images and videos to improve performance of a website. Now first thing I want you to do is go to add and then go to connect domain. Then I want you to navigate to Hostinger, sign in or sign up. After you authenticate yourself, go to domains. Now on the domains, you can see that you can add new domain which you're going to purchase. But since I already have a domain, I'm going to click on manage. To come here, and I want you to copy this link. Go to Cloudflare, where you see the label that says enter an existing domain. You paste the website there. Click on continue. On the payments page, I want you to choose the free plan. Once you're done setting up, scroll down to where it says replace your current Nameservers with Cloudflare Nameservers. These two Nameservers, we're going to copy the first one. We're going to go to Hostinger. We're going to go to DNS or Nameservers, and we're going to change Nameservers. We're going to paste this in the first Nameserver. We're going to come back here. We're going to copy the second Nameserver, and we're going to paste this in the second Nameserver. Then we're going to click save. I want you to know that it might take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new Nameservers. And that is how you connect your Hostinger domain to Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya!